Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use foam wash. First, gather your essential tools: a foam cannon, a pressure washer, and your preferred car wash soap. Before you begin, make sure your vehicle's surface is cool and parked away from direct sunlight. This prevents the soap from drying too quickly. Begin by giving your entire vehicle a good pre-rinse with plain water to remove any loose dirt and debris. This initial step is crucial for an effective and scratch-free wash. Now, let's prepare your foam cannon for action. Carefully pour the recommended amount of your chosen car wash soap into the foam cannon's reservoir. Next, add warm water, adhering strictly to the dilution ratio specified on your soap's packaging, typically around 1 to 3 ounces of soap per 16 ounces of water. Finally, securely attach the filled foam cannon to your pressure washer, ensuring a tight connection for consistent foam delivery. With your foam cannon ready, it's time to apply the luxurious foam. Begin by spraying the foam onto the lower sections of your vehicle, then steadily work your way upwards, ensuring every exterior surface is completely covered. Aim for a thick, even layer of foam that clings well. Let the foam dwell on the vehicle for approximately 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the soap to effectively break down and encapsulate dirt particles. After the foam has done its work, it's time for the final rinse. Starting from the top of your vehicle, thoroughly rinse all the foam away using clean, high-pressure water. Be meticulous and ensure absolutely no soap residue remains on any surface. Once rinsed, immediately dry your vehicle with a soft, clean microfiber towel. This crucial step prevents unsightly water spots and leaves your car with a brilliant, streak-free finish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.